Yeah, you got to look into his eyes to know he's extraordinary. That's true. You got to gaze deeply past the reflection of Fall Guys.
Next.
Yes.
Yes. Even if you're not going to use it right now, even if you're not going to look at it, it's something that you will regret because you're going to lose all of that historical information that we'll collect from day one, and it's free. This doesn't cost you anything. Just get it put in place.
If you want to understand at any point what your website is doing for you, you need to have some way to identify the traffic that's coming to it and where it comes from. That's what analytics is for. There are plenty of different packages that you can choose from. Google Analytics is free. Install it. And then when you do choose to run advertising down the road, you've got data you can work with. Without it, you've got nothing.
There's also an interesting side benefit. And there's an argument out there about whether what Google uses in their algorithm to bring you up on the search results page. But if you don't have Google Analytics installed on your website, Google will only ever see the people, the traffic that it's driving directly to you. It doesn't see the traffic that you have, that you're sending there from your business cards, your other campaigns, other social media platforms. It will never see that because it doesn't register a hit. They don't know who's visiting. But if you have Google Analytics on there, suddenly your traffic is all-encompassing, and that will make it look more relevant that you have substantially more traffic that's going on the site, especially if you feel that you're not getting much on the search results, to slowly inch your way up with the Google secret sauce.
It is secret too.
It is very secret.
We don't know whether analytics plays a role in any of that search material. Google says it doesn't. They have been pretty adamant that it doesn't. But we do know that with analytics, you can see channels that you operate on outside of typical online marketing channels. Maybe you work with a company that's a distributor of your product. Maybe you work with a company who's a reseller. All of a sudden, when you've got analytics, you can determine what resellers have traffic because you'll see their referrals to your site. It allows you to make better informed decisions in your business about what next steps to take. Analytics it's a yes, install it.
Just to have the information, even if you don't look at it right now.
So, hey, while that thing is pointed at me, thanks for watching.
Don't forget to mash the button, bell, subscribe, link thing right there.